Hi, welcome to Zoke. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make multiple flashing lights. When we use the Arduino, so far we've only made one LED turn on. But the question is, how do we make multiple ones come on? The process is very similar. Okay, I'm going to show you how to make it, show you how to code it, and then we'll go from there. Let's go. Alright, to build this, the first thing we're going to do is just stick two LEDs in the breadboard. Location's not important. Then we're going to run some jumper wires from pin 13 to the breadboard and from pin 8 to the breadboard. We're going to put some resistors between those jumper wires and the LED to connect them. Doesn't matter if it's for the positive end or the negative, but in this case, because that's running from the pins, this one does have to go to the positive. Okay, so the longer end is connected to both of the LEDs. Or excuse me, the longer end is connected to the positive to the pins. And then we're going to run some wires just to the negative ground here. And then from there, we're going to connect it back to the ground on the Arduino. And there we go. My program's already running. So there we go. We have our flashing lights. The electricity is running from pins 8 and 13 through to the LEDs and then back to the ground for a complete circuit. All right, now let's take a look at the code. All right, as we look at the code here, we're going to notice that there is two different sections or two different variables that we've declared. And now we're saying that every time this word red comes up, it's going to equal 13. It's going to refer to pin 13. And this word blue, every time it comes up, it refers to the pin 8. Okay? The pin modes here just reflect that these are going to be outputs, that they're going to make something happen. And then finally we have our code. This is for the flashing lights. Okay? We make our red light turn on for half a second, turn off. At the same time that that's turning off, the blue light's going to turn on for half a second before it turns off. And then the code repeats again. The important thing here is this whole declaration side. This is where we declare our variables, and this allows us to use multiple outputs. Then below in the code, that's where we're saying, okay, what is doing what output is actually performing. And that's how we're able to make two things happen. There you go. That is how you make multiple things happen. In this case, make the flashing lights work.